Hugo's. And what we're going to do then is...
You're going to get a chair to put in here because we need to sit down.
3 chairs.
3 chairs?
Yes.
Why 3?
No.
There's 1 chair. I'll get it. You stay where you are. We wouldn't want a bloke lifting this now, would we?
No.
Good job you ain't got one, innit?
Oh, I may surprise you.
You never know your looks.
I must say, what a wonderful outfit I'm wearing tonight. Almost as good as this one. Not as nice as this one, which is man at CNA. Right. Now, oh, I've forgotten something. What have I forgotten?
It's a good name, isn't it?
She's always in that.
I know. She's been in the dustbins lately.
I'd like to say I come from a long line of backs, but it's not politically correct. And I'd just like to say mine are bigger than yours. Now,
That's because I'm stumpy.
Alice.
You are a little, aren't you?
oh no! No, I can't sit there.
I like this.
Because I need to shut my legs in it.
Oh. You do,
Because
it's
I'm a
drafty.
lady.
It's drafty.
Oh, I...
Those legs.
It's going to go dark, isn't it? So we've got some lights
Hello?
in case it goes dark.
Anybody there?
Anybody
Don't burn
there?
your hair. Be careful.
Slack didn't pay the electric bill. Slack never pays the
See
electric
what we
bill.
have to put up with?
Slack doesn't pay any bills.
But
do
we
you,
love
Slack?
that. We do
No,
love
that's
that.
why I'm slack. Hello? Yes? Long distance. It has to be long distance. There's no cord on this. Oh, it's wobbling. Oh, we're on a flicker.
Yeah, the flicker. Come on.
Come on, flicker me, baby. Come on. Oh. Well,
Light the fire.
yes, yes. Did we do a show tonight?
Normally you do that and it will want to.
Yeah, no.
But you haven't paid your bill.
So-
You don't pay your Albert. You don't pay your Arthur.
You're always being kept
And
in
I'm
the
going to
dark,
leave
aren't
George
you?
alone. Which would be nice for George because he's the photo. What? I don't understand why this isn't working. Maybe it's a step to the left.
Ah, and a step to the right.
The light has gone out.
The light has gone out.
Yes.
I am lightless, lifeless. I come today upon yonder tree. I once saw a blackbird. The blackbird fluttered his eyelids and said to me, "Caree, caree, caree."
Said that as well.
Right, I'll tell you what, I'm so sweaty.
I know.
I'm down to 1 candle, story of my life. Start off with 3, get 1.
So when we done that show tonight, what do you think the people thought?
I thought their criticism was well aimed at you two.
Oh, I say.
I would just like to say
Vera,
that
what do you think of that? Get the vinegar out.
I've appeared on the West End.
Of
The
the
Pier
liver.
of Lighton. The West End Pier. Have you never appeared at the Pier? Not you, that's your model.
I only saw you at Western Supermart.
Oh yes. Oh, Western Supermare. That's where my friend Dave, he said, "Oh, I bet you's no good at playing to pinball because you've related." And I went, "Bring it on."
Oh.
And Dave, what happened? Well, Dave got 6 million.
What? 6 million?
And he said, "Beat that then, baby."
Oh.
So 15 minutes later,
Shut
I'm
up.
still going on the same ball.
Nah, he's telling lies.
And
He's telling lies.
Slack got 35.
35 million.
35 million?
And
No,
Dave,
no,
my
he's
friend,
telling
he
lies.
spoke to me
Is he
again.
elaborating? Is he saying
No.
If I told you once, I
That's
told you
really-
1,000 times about exaggerating.
Right.
You see, because we're friends.
We're friends.
We're friends.
Dear
Oh,
friends.
let me hold your hand.
Dear
We're
friends.
friends.
Do you think I'm a medium?
No, you're an extra large. You could never be a medium, you're extra large.
Let me tell you
Because
your
he loves your
fortune.
fish and chips. That's
You
what
ain't
it is.
getting out of here alive. Because you've been naughty to me. The one, all I ever wanted.
Oh, don't get sad.
All I ever wanted was
You should have his own
Do you want to go somewhere? Yeah. Can we go to Amarillo? Yeah.
What about, would these like to go to Amarillo?
Yes.
Would all of these people here, would they all like to get up to Amarillo?
Yes, they would.
Amarillo, have a little shindig, have a little danceroony, maybe even the coffee. I must leave you now. It is a fond farewell, I bid you. Upon yonder forest did Yorick once go.
Playing with his pinball.
He won't let you forget that.
Now, if you don't know the words to the song,
Clap.
that's all right, because you ain't singing, you're dancing. And I need to find it. Oh, look, are we ready? Do we want to show you how to do it, or are you going to join in straight away?
You're all going to join.
Come on then. All the men are gone.
Keith, Wolfie, turn it up. La 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 la. Every night I love in my pillow, dreaming dreams of Amarillo, and sweet Maria waits for me. Show me the way to Amarillo. I've been living like a willow, dreaming of Amarillo, and sweet Maria waits for me.
Ding dong! Ding dong!
Is this the way to Amarillo? Every night I love in my pillow, dreams of Amarillo, and sweet Maria waits for me. Show me the way to Amarillo. Sweet Maria waits for me. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la.
do it for you. Collectible, delightful, adorable vinegar beer.
Well, without further ado, let's give them a big round of applause for Birds of a Different Feather. Well done. That was certainly a different night.